Hello, my name is Kailath and I welcome you all to Spoken English Master. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic that is called future indefinite tense. We have uploaded so many videos on tense. If you haven't watched all the videos, you can go to our playlist and you can watch each and every video. So without wasting time, let's get started. Subscribe to Spoken English Master to get more videos like this. See students, first of all you have to see what is the definition of future indefinite tense, how to use it properly. Let's see. Any action which will take place in future, to show this we use future indefinite tense. Okay, that should be like that. Okay, any action which will take place in future. Okay, like if I say मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा, I will go there. वो यहाँ पे आएगी, she will come here. Okay, तुम ये काम करोगे, you will do this work. Okay, any action which will take place in future means future में कोई भी चीज होगा. To show that what we use future indefinite tense. Let's have the formula first. See students, this is your formula: subject plus shall oblique will plus V1 plus object. If you don't know what is V1, what is V2, what is V3, that I am telling. Okay, V1 means base form of the verb. Okay, I have made a separate video on verb. Okay, if you want to watch that video, you can go to playlist and you can watch that video also. Okay, now we will take some examples how to make this kind of sentences. Let's see. I will go there. मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा. कब जाऊँगा? फ्यूचर में. She will stay here. वो यहाँ पे रहेगी. कब रहेगी? बाद में, मीन्स फ्यूचर में. You will speak English. तुम इंग्लिश बोलोगे. कब? फ्यूचर में. Not now. This is not present tense. This is future tense. In future, these things will happen. Again, I am repeating. I will go there. मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा. She will stay here. वो यहाँ पे रहेगी. You will speak English. तुम इंग्लिश बोलोगे. Okay. How to convert these sentences in negative sentence, interrogative sentence, as well as negative interrogative sentence. Okay. Let's see. I will not go there. मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा. You will not do this work. तुम ये काम नहीं करोगे. She will not stay here. वो यहाँ पे नहीं रहेगी. Okay, these are negative sentences. Let's see how to make these sentences in interrogative. Okay, how to ask question. Interrogative means, as I have told you in my previous videos, interrogative means to ask question. Let's see how to do it. Will I go there? क्या मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा? You can also put here shall. Okay, so I will make a separate video on what is the difference between shall and will. Okay, don't get worried about that. Will you do this work? क्या तुम ये काम करोगे? Means I am asking question. क्या तुम ये काम करोगे? Will you speak English? क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोलोगे? These are questions. Okay, positive question. As I have told you, two types of questions are there. One is your positive question, another one is your negative question. These are your positive questions. Okay, last one. Will she stay here? क्या वो यहाँ पे रहेगी? क्या वो यहाँ पे रहेगी? Just I am asking question. I am not sure about that. Okay, these are your positive questions, means interrogative. Next, we will learn how to make these sentences negative interrogative. Okay, let's have it. Won't I go there? क्या मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा? I think you are getting confused. Sir, what is won't? Won't means this is a short form of will not. Okay, will not, won't. Like I have told you in my previous videos, do not means don't, does not means doesn't. Okay, these are short forms. Okay, contractions. Okay, अच्छा. Now next one. So again I am repeating. Won't I go there? क्या मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा? Again I am asking question but negatively. This is called negative question. Okay, next one. Won't you do this work? क्या तुम ये काम नहीं करोगे? Okay, just I am asking question. Here also won't means will not. Next one. Won't she stay here? क्या वो यहाँ पे नहीं रहेगी? Okay, just I am asking question here. Won't means will not. Okay, I think it's clear to you friends. Again I am telling last example. Like if I say I will take class. मैं क्लास लूँगा. I won't take class. मैं क्लास नहीं लूँगा. Okay, won't means will not. I will not take class. Okay, means I won't take class. मैं क्लास नहीं लूँगा. Will I take class? क्या मैं क्लास लूँगा? Won't I take class? क्या मैं क्लास नहीं लूँगा? Okay, number 1 is your positive sentence, means affirmative sentence. Number 2 is your negative sentence. Number 3 is your interrogative sentence. Interrogative means positive interrogative sentence. Number 4 is your negative interrogative sentence. Okay, I think it's clear to you, friends. Still, if you have any doubt, you can also comment below. I will try to reply it. Okay, that's all for today. If you find this video helpful for you, do subscribe to our channel and please hit the like button and try to share these videos with your friends, because so many students are there who are not able to study properly. Okay, who don't get many students are there who don't get chance to learn properly. So if you share these videos with them, these things will definitely help them out. Okay, so please try to share all the videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.